Hey there everyone, Karan here from Tech and today we are reviewing one of the most reasonably priced mechanical keyboards, and that is also wireless, and it is a Tenkeyless keyboard which costs only 2500 here in India. So it's showing 10,000 over here, but you can buy this practically for 25 or 2600 in Amazon. The links are in the description if you want to buy these. So this is the Hydra 10. It's in a Tenkeyless format. Tenkeyless basically means that the keyboards don't have a numpad, don't have this traditional keyboard layout that you're seeing over here. This is absolutely compact, right? You can hold it in one hand and you'll see how it is. Slightly heavy because of the battery and also the red key switches. So it comes with red key switches. Now the beauty with the red key switches is that this basically is very linear in fashion. So it's some keyboards, some are clicky in nature, these are linear in nature, and these are like some very quick keystrokes. So the keystrokes are generally very quick in nature. It feels very good to actually play around with this keyboard. The only sad thing that I'll say is that I wish it had some more features in it, but for 2500 I am not complaining one bit. I can give this 10 out of 10 right now and be happy with that. You can see a small Portronics badge over here in plastic, and the RGB is okay. It could be much better, but again, I'm not complaining. There's a USB-C port over here. You can basically charge it via USB-C port. It says that it gives you a backup of about 6 days. I don't know about that because I haven't been playing it for that long. I just got it like some time ago. You get the option of Bluetooth or USB wired, or you get the option of 2.5 gigahertz wireless. So all of that option is there. I'm currently using only Bluetooth. The latency, not an issue. I've been playing some games in this. Feels really good, feels really amazing. So like I mentioned, I've been playing these games over here. Besides the racing games, I've been playing these games on the mechanical keyboard, and it's not been a problem at all. The writing in it feels very smooth. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks so much for watching this video review, guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I'm happy to answer to all of them.